सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावकज्यूहरूलाई अनुरोध।
विश्वव्यापी महामारी कोभिड-19 को कारण सम्पूर्ण विद्यालय र अन्य क्षेत्रमा बन्दाबन्दी भई लामो समयसम्म बाल बालिकाको पठन पाठन ठप्प रहेको अवस्थामा बाल बालिकाको सिकाइलाई निरन्तरता दिन सुनवल नगरपालिका र रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज तथा रेडियो सुनवल 90.7 मेगाहर्ज को संयुक्त सहकार्यमा यही असार 4 गते बिहिबारबाट सुनवल पाठशाला कार्यक्रम निम्न तालिका बमोजिम एफएम कक्षा सञ्चालन भइरहेको हुनाले सम्पूर्ण अभिभावकज्यूहरूलाई आफ्ना बाल बालिकाहरूलाई उक्त समयमा सहभागी गराइदिन हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौं।
रेडियो सुनवलमा पढाइ हुने समय कक्षा 3 को बिहान 9:30 देखि 10 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 4 को बिहान 10:05 देखि 10:40 सम्म, कक्षा 5 को बिहान 11:05 देखि 11:45 सम्म, कक्षा 6 को मध्याह्न 12:10 देखि 12:55 सम्म र कक्षा 1 को दिउँसो 1:10 देखि 1:40 सम्म।
त्यस्तै रेडियो सन्देशमा कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने समय कक्षा 2 को बिहान 9:15 देखि 9:30 सम्म, कक्षा 10 को दिउँसो 2:10 देखि 2:55 सम्म, कक्षा 9 को दिउँसो 3:10 देखि 4 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 8 को दिउँसो 4:10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म र कक्षा 7 को साँझ 5:10 देखि 6 बजेसम्म।
अनुरोध सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखा।
तपाईँ अहिले सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ रेडियो सन्देश सबैभन्दा बेस्ट 89.8 मेगाहर्ज।
Good morning, students of class 2. I am Chandrakant Pandey, Baba Bardaguria, Samudayik Vidyalaya. Welcome in program of Sunol Parsala, Radio Sandesh 89.8 MHz. Dear students, now we are going to revise when we have already read in last week or first day. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, सर्वप्रथम हामीले अघिल्लो कक्षामा सिकेका कुराहरूलाई थोरै रिभाइज गर्न गएका छौं। त्यस रिभाइजबाट हामीलाई धेरै कुराहरू बिर्सेको भए पनि सम्झना हुनेछ र त्यसको लागि एउटा songबाट let's revise what we had done due to long holidays we have forgotten. Let's revise what we had done due to long holidays we have forgotten. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, तपाईहरू अब रेडियो नजिकै आउनु भएको होला र सुन्नु पनि भएको होला। हामीले अगाडिका पाठहरू इंग्लिश कक्षा 2 को इंग्लिश पढेका थियौं, जसमा हामीले पहिलो पटक हामीले च्याप्टर 1 पाठलाई पढ्यौं। त्यसपछि हामी त्यसैमा सम्बन्धित रहेर ग्रामरको बारेमा अध्ययन गर्यौं। Dear students, open your English book of class 2. Look at page number 1. Chapter 1, a phone call from America. First of all, I will read here and you will listen and point to line by line on the passage. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, मैले पहिलो च्याप्टरलाई पढ्ने छु। तपाईहरुले पनि पहिलो च्याप्टरलाई फर्काएर पेज नम्बर 1 मा हेर्नुहुनेछ र लाइन बाइ लाइन दोहोर्याउँदै हेर्नुस् है। मैले प्रोनाउन्सिएसन गरेको सुनेर तपाईहरु त्यसैबाट मन पढ्दै दोहोर्याउनु होला। And then I asked question and you should find answer. So please listen carefully. तपाईले यसरी लाइन बाइ लाइन प्यासेजलाई हेर्दै र पढ्दै जानु भएपछि मैले प्रश्नहरु राख्ने छु। तपाईले उत्तरहरु पत्ता लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ। त्यसैले एकदम ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिदिनु होला है। ल अब हामी च्याप्टर सुरु गर्छौं। तपाईहरुले सुन्ने र पोइन्ट गर्दै अथवा दोहोर्याउँदै हेर्दै गर्नुस् र बिस्तारै मन पढ्दै र मैले पढेको सुन्नुस्। Chapter 1, a phone call from America. Ayush and Manoj were in the same class. They were very good friends. The father of Ayush was an engineer in America. He decided to call all his family to America too. On October day, Ayush and his family got ready to leave. Many neighbors and friends gathered to say bye-bye to them. Ayush caught the hands of his best friend Manoj and said, "Goodbye, Manoj." Manoj was sad. His best friend was going far away. There were tears in both of their eyes. Manoj said, "Goodbye, Ayush, and a happy journey. Do not forget me." "How can I forget you, Manoj? You are my best friend. As soon as I reach America, I shall phone you." Manoj did not say anything. He was really very sad. They had spent many happy moments together in the class. They sat on the same bench. They shared looks and other necessary things. They shared on another snacks too. It was a difficult moment for both of them to say goodbye. Slowly Ayush and his family moved away. They took a taxi to move towards the airport. The rest waved their hands and said, "Bye and take care." Manoj did not eat anything that evening. He took just a cup of soup and went to bed. He could not sleep. The following day was unhappy. At around 10 o'clock, the telephone bell rang. Everyone else was asleep. Manoj, who was still sleepless in memory of his friend, received the call. "Good morning, Manoj. It is Ayush. Hi Ayush, good night, Manoj said. Morning, look out, the sun is up. It is night, it is dark, and I am sleeping, said Manoj. The children continued arguing for a long time. One said it is night, and others said it is morning. The telephone was cut after a while. In the morning, Manoj told his father about their debates. With a smile, the father said, Honey, when we have day here, the Americans have night. Manoj remembered what his teacher had told in the class one day. He quickly told his father, Sorry, Daddy, I got it now. Dear students, now understanding more. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, तपाईहरुले पक्कै पनि यो प्यासेजलाई सुन्नुभयो र तपाईहरुले दोहोर्याउँदै सायद पढ्नु पनि भयो होला। अब हामीले केही क्वेशनहरु गर्छौं, ती क्वेशनहरुको उत्तर हामीले यही प्यासेजबाट निकाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ। अब तपाईहरुले पनि त्यो प्रश्नको उत्तर निकाल्ने प्रयास गर्नुस् है त। ल, now understanding more. Answer these questions. Number A. Where was the family of Ayush going? Where was the family of Ayush going? Dear students, find out the answer. Where was the family of Ayush going? Yes, find out in the passage. The question's answer is on the passage. Now, try to find out, please. Where was the family of Ayush going? आयुषका परिवारहरू कहाँ गइरहेका थिए? Find out questions answer, please. The family, yes, yeah, with students, yeah, you say good. The family of Ayush was going to America. Good. The family of Ayush was going to America. Yeah, say you again. Yeah, you say they were going to America. Correct. This answer also correct. They were going to America. This is also correct. The family of Ayush was going to America is also correct. Correct. Yes. Where was the family of Ayush going? The family of Ayush was going to America, or they were going to America. Number B. Why was Manoj sad? Why was Manoj sad? Find out. Again, read the passage and find out the answer. Please, dear students, everybody students, try to more. Why was Manoj sad? किन मनोज दुखी भयो? Yes, we read already. हामीले पहिल्यै पढिसकेका छौं, पाठमा छ. Why was Manoj sad? Find out answer, please. Manoj, say you? Yeah. Manoj was sad because his best friend was going far away. Correct. Manoj was sad because his best friend was going far away. Good. This question. Correct answer. Yeah. Manoj was sad because his best friend was going far away. Like everybody say you. What? Why was Manoj sad? Manoj was sad because his best friend was going far away. Dear student, isn't correct? Yeah. Number C. What did Ayush say when Manoj said, "Hi Ayush, good night"? What did Ayush say? Manoj said, "Hi Ayush, good night." What did Ayush say? Please find out this answer, everybody. Try to more. Again, yes. Search about this question's answer. What did Ayush say when Manoj said, "Hi Ayush, good night"? Yeah, try to again. Ayush said, "Morning, look out, the sun is up." Correct. Ayush said, "Morning, look out, the sun is up." What did I say? Ayush said, "Morning, look out, the sun is up." Manoj said, "Good night," but Ayush said, "Morning, look out, the sun is up." There is opposite time. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, हामीलाई अमेरिकामा अहिले हामी बिहान गुड मर्निङ भनिरहेका छौं, तर अमेरिकामा के हुन्छ त भन्दा गुड नाइट हुन्छ, राति हुन्छ। त्यसो भएर यहाँ दुईटा हिजोका साथीहरू छुट्टिएर एउटा अमेरिका एउटा नेपाल छ। एउटाले भन्छ गुड मर्निङ, एउटाले भन्छ गुड नाइट। Number D. What do the Americans have when the Nepalese have day? Listen, question again, carefully listen. What do the Americans have when the Nepalese have day? जब नेपालीहरूले दिन भएको हुन्छ, नेपालमा दिन भएको हुन्छ, नेपालीहरूसँग दिन हुन्छ, what do the Americans have? अमेरिकामा के हुन्छ? Find out. Very easily question. Please, you search and find out this question's answer, please. Students, carefully, slowly look now there and quickly say you me. What do the Americans have when the Nepalese have day? Yes, answer. Yeah, when the Nepalese have day, here the Americans have night. When the Nepalese have day, here the Americans have night. Correct answer. Correct answer. Now revise again. Again, students, now look again. Where was the family of Ayush going? The family of Ayush was going to America, or they were going to America. Why was Manoj sad? Manoj was sad because his best friend was going far away. What did Ayush say when Manoj said, "Hi Ayush, good night"? Ayush said, "Morning, look out, the sun is up." And last questions, what do the Americans have when the Nepalese have day? When the Nepalese have day, here the Americans have night. Dear students, हामीले यहाँ क्वेशन को उत्तर दिन हामीले सिकायौं। तपाईहरुले पनि कोशिश गर्नुभयो होला र तपाईहरुले पनि पक्कै यो कुरा बुझ्नुभयो हामीले पाठबाट क्वेशनहरुको उत्तर निकाल्ने तरिका। र अब विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, म तपाईहरुलाई यही पाठमा आधारित फल्स एन्ड ट्रू एन्ड फल्स को बारेमा एक्सरसाइज गराउँदै छु र ध्यानपूर्वक तपाईहरुले उत्तर दिन कोशिश गर्नुहोला है। Dear students, write true or false against the following sentence. Now, number A, the father of Ayush was a doctor in America. Isn't it? The father of Ayush was a doctor in America. Dear students, say you, is it true or false? Again, the father of Ayush was a doctor in America. Good, false. Yeah, false. You are right. Because the father of Ayush was an engineer in America. No doctor, engineer. Yes. Number B. Again listen. When Ayush and his family left Nepal, it was October. Again listen. When Ayush and his family left Nepal, it was October. Student, isn't it October? Yes, true. It was October when Ayush and his family left Nepal. Ayush went to America by train. Is it correct? Ayush went to America by train. False or true? Please find out. Ayush went to America by train or aeroplane? Which one? Please say, find out. Yeah? Yes. This is wrong sentence. Ayush went to America by plane, no train. So this is false. Yes, false. Number D. Manoj felt ashamed because he could not understand the time difference between America and Nepal. Students, listen again. Manoj felt ashamed because he could not understand the time difference between America and Nepal. मनोजलाई एकदम कन्फ्युज भयो, दोधार भयो मनोज, किनकि उसले अमेरिकाको र नेपालको समयको फरक बुझ्न सकेन, बीचको फरक बुझ्न सकेन, उसलाई एकदम दोधार भयो. Is it correct? Manoj felt ashamed because he could not understand the time difference between America and Nepal. True, good answer, true. Dear students, हामीहरूले सुन्ने गरेका छौं, हामीले इंग्लिशमा सुन्दा एएम पीएम भन्ने सुनेका छौं. हामीले समयको पछाडी एएम र पीएम लेखेको हामीले सुन्ने गर्छौं. के हो यो एएम, के हो यो पीएम, कसरी हामीले एएम लेख्ने, कहाँ हामीले पीएम लेख्ने? अब हामीले यसमा बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. भाइ बहिनीहरु, तपाईहरुले किताबमा एएम पीएम लेखेको देख्नु भएको छ? ल हेर्नुस् है. Yes, read the following times: 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 o'clock, 1 p.m., 5 p.m. Yes, sometime, somewhere write down a.m., somewhere write down p.m. What is different this one? Now हामीले अब यो बुझ्नै पर्छ, यो एएम किन लेख्ने, पीएम किन लेख्ने, यसको बारेमा आउनुस् हामी अब यसको बारेमा छलफल गरौँ. ल, when we mention time between 12 o'clock at night and 12 o'clock during the day, we write AM. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, जब हामीहरु रातिको 12 बजेदेखि दिनको 12 बजेसम्मको पिरियडमा को समय लेख्न पर्यो भने हामीले के लेख्छौं भन्दा एएम लेख्छौं. ल, जस्तै रातिको 1 बज्यो भने 1 एएम भन्ने बित्तिकै यो रातिको 1 बज्यो. 2 एएम रातिको 2 बज्यो. 3 एएम अब बिहानी पखको 3 बज्दै लायो. 4 एएम बिहान पखको 4 बज्न लायो. 5 एएम बिहान 5 बज्यो. 6 एएम बिहानको 6 बजेको समय हो यो। 7 AM बिहानको 7 बजेको समय। 8 AM बिहानको 8 बजेको समय। 9 AM बिहानको 9 बजेको समय। 10 AM बिहानको 10 बजेको समय। and 11 AM बिहानको 11 बजेको समय and 12 o'clock. Now after 12 o'clock this at the night, after 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock during the day times, we should write AM. It means anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. Repeat, anti-meridian. Short form AM. Anti-meridian. Anti-A meridian. Yum. Anti-meridian. It means anti-meridian means AM. Tistay, for time between 12 o'clock during the day and 12 o'clock at night, we write PM. It means post meridian. Post meridian. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, हामी दिनको 12 बजेदेखि रातको 12 बजेसम्मको समय लेख्नु पर्दा हामीले समयको पछाडि के लेख्नु पर्छ त? PM लेख्नु पर्छ। यसको अर्थ पोस्ट मेरिडियन। पोस्ट मेरिडियन। पोस्ट means P, meridians means M. अथवा एंटी मेरिडियन AM, post meridian PM. Now students, for example, it is 1 o'clock on day. Now it is tiffin time. Now we must write it is 1 PM. It is 1 PM. Now students, just wake up now on the bed. It is 6 o'clock. We should write it is 6 AM. It is 6 AM. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, हामी जब 12 बजे पछाडिका समयहरू लेख्छौं त्यति बेला हामीले समयको पछाडि PM लेख्नुपर्छ। त्यसपछि हामी जब रातिको 12 बजे पछि दिउँसोको 12 बजेसम्मको समय हुन्छ त्यसमा हामीले AM लेख्नुपर्छ। हामी स्कुल जाने समय हाम्रो AM हुन्छ 9 बजेको समय, अनि हामी 4 बजे घर फर्कन्छौं त्यसलाई हामीले 4 बजेको समयलाई हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? फेरि PM लेख्नुपर्छ। यो कुरालाई हामीले बुझ्नुपर्छ है। Time before 12 o'clock in the morning is called morning. Time before 12 o'clock in the morning is called morning. 12 बजेको समय भन्दा अगाडिको बिहानको समयलाई हामीले जहिले पनि गुड मर्निङ भनेर अभिवादन गर्नुपर्छ। Dear students, first period you say good morning and second period also you said good morning, and after 3 period you said also good morning, and after 4th period you said good afternoon, like this noon. Time before 12 o'clock in the morning is called morning. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, हामी बिहान उठेर 12 बजेसम्मको समयमा जलाई भेट्दा पनि हामीले पहिलो भेटमा के भन्छौं? गुड मर्निङ। गुड मर्निङ भन्नुपर्छ। गुड मर्निङ। The time when the clock shows exactly 12 during the day. The time when the clock shows exactly 12 during the day. ठ्याक्कै दिनको 12 बज्यो भने त्यति बेला हामीले नुन भन्छौं। नुन। It means 12 o'clock. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. The time between noon and before the sun sets, afternoon. So Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Dear students, exactly 12 during the day, that means noon. So 12 o'clock. Good noon. Exactly noon. And 12 o'clock during the day. During the day, exactly 12 o'clock. During the day, noon. Remember in your mind, noon. And the time between noon and before the sunset, we should afternoon. We should afternoon. जुन समय 12 बजेदेखि सूर्य नअस्ताउँदासम्मको समयलाई हामीले के भन्छौं? आफ्टरनुन. Afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. The time between moon and before the sunset, afternoon. बिहान हामी सूर्य उदय हुँदै 10 को समयदेखि 12 बजेसम्म समयलाई हामीले गुड मर्निङ भन्छौं भने 12 बजे एक्ज्याक्टली 12 बजेको लागि नून भन्छौं. द टाइम बिट्विन नून एन्ड बिफोर द सनसेट we should say afternoon. The time around sunset before it is dark. The time around sunset before it is dark. Evening. The time around sunset before it is dark. Evening. Dear students, समय सनसेट जो सूर्य अस्ताउँछ त्यो सूर्य अस्ताइसकेको पछिको समयलाई हामीले के भन्ने? इभिनिङ भन्ने. गुड इभिनिङ. इभिनिङ. यस, इभिनिङ टाइम. द टाइम अराउन्ड सनसेट बिफोर इट इज डार्क. जब सूर्य अस्ताउँछ र हामीलाई अँध्यारो हुन्छ त्यो समयमालाई के भन्ने? इभिनिङ. Yeah, the time when it is dark everywhere and people go to bed. This time, night. Yes, night. Very dark night. Everywhere and people go to bed. And it is dark, very dark. And after exactly 12 o'clock noon, exactly 12 o'clock night. Yes, everybody remember in your mind and revise here. विद्यार्थी भाइहरू, आज हामीले पढेका कुराहरूलाई अब तपाईले कति सम्झनु भयो, कति सम्झनु भएको छैन, एकपटक हामीले दोहोर्याउने कोसिस गरौँ है त. First of all, answer these questions. Where was the family of Ayush going? The family of Ayush was going to America, or they were going to America. Why was Manoj sad? Manoj was sad because his best friend was going far away. What did Ayush say when Manoj said, "Hi Ayush, good night"? Ayush said, "Morning, look out, the sun is up." What do the Americans have when the Nepalese have day? When the Nepalese have day, here the Americans have night. Dear students, again true or false? The father of Ayush was a doctor in America. False. When Ayush and his family left Nepal, it was October. True. Ayush went to America by train. False. Manoj felt ashamed because he could not understand the time difference between America and Nepal. True. Dear students, अब हामीले कुन समयमा AM लेख्ने र कुन समयलाई PM लेख्ने भनेर हामीले सिकेका हौं. When we mention time between 12 o'clock at night, and 12 o'clock during the day, we write AM. It means anti-meridian. For time between 12 o'clock during the day and 12 o'clock at night, we write PM. It means post-meridian. Okay, every students. Now, tomorrow you write this. You will write this exercise and try to exactly answer correctly. And I saw your homework, please. Okay, goodbye, students. See you later.
हैन ये नाति बाउ, रेडियो बजाउ त, रेडियो सुन्न पर्यो।
अपोइ रेडियो नै सुन्ने हो र बा,
के आउँछ र? अब के आउने हो? गीत संगीत सूचना मनोरञ्जन सबै आउँछ के? होइन बा, कुन रेडियोमा आउँछ हो त्यस्तो? अब यो हाम्रो नाति केटालाई अझै थाहा रहेनछ। त्यही रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्जमा आउँछ नि। ल ल बजाइहाल त।
रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज, सबैभन्दा पृथक, सबैभन्दा बेस्ट।